So Google sent me a mystery package as a part of onboarding. So I'm going to open it and see what's inside. Um, so so I think these are few stickers, which says I'm a Noogler. So Noogler is actually a new Googler who has just joined and has been in the firm for around 2 to 3 months, I guess. So this is one of the item. I think this is some kind of bag. So it's a Google bag, um, and think it's some kind of laptop sleeve that you can use to carry my laptop for extra safety. Um, that's is good. Then I think this is some another bag. So I think this might be similar bag, but for some other things. This has Google logo on it. Next we have this Pixel box. So I also got a Pixel 6a from Google. So this is my corporate phone that I currently used for any kind of work related things. So this is a really good phone. So glad to have it. Next we have, I think, some diaries. So this is, I think, logo diaries. I'm not sure if I'm going to using it for any kind of notes, but this is a good thing to have. Next we have one more diary and some kind of welcome abroad. Welcome aboard. Sorry. It's a pleasure to have you joining us. It's a good wishes to become a part of this unique, collaborative, dynamic, and vibrant organization. Next, we have some kind of photo frame. Welcome to Google Bangalore. Some pens with the Google icon, and I think one mug. Oh, this is heavy. So I think this has Google on it. So I also got something else. I got this 32-inch 4K LED that I'm currently using for my work setup. So this is actually good and it's around 60,000, I guess, 55. And one thing I also liked was this headphones. So these are Google headphones that I'm currently using, and it's really good. It's not great as Sony, but it's a good one. Also, this is my MacBook 2021 model, which has the M1 Pro chip. So I think this is a little unboxing that I have for you guys. Thank you for watching the video.